So this video should basically be called I bought stuff and it finally arrived, and so I'm going to show you. Yep, shipping during the holidays is always slow, right? Hello! Welcome back to the Spoonie Stitcher channel. I'm Shannon the Spoonie Stitcher, you're inside the Stitchery, and I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new, hi! I'm Shannon. I'm the Spoonie Stitcher. A Spoonie is somebody who has a chronic condition, and a Stitcher is somebody who makes art with textiles. This channel is all about creativity. Anything that makes your creative juices flowing, that's what we try to do on this channel. So if that sounds like something that sounds fun to you, maybe hit the subscribe button. I'll wait. Thank you so much! Maybe hit like button while you're down there as well. That tells the algorithm you want more stuff like this. Today, I don't know what we're gonna do, but stay tuned and we'll have fun together. Hi, I just want to warn you about something in this video. I have been in contact with a certain company. It's not going well, and a little bit of my irritation slips through in this video when I talk about them. So it's a little more negative than I usually am. Just want to warn you. There you go. But first, before I do that, tomorrow I will be live with Louie at Club Crochet right here on my channel at 5 p.m. Central, 6 p.m. Eastern. I'm going to interview him. It's very casual. We might do some crocheting as well. And I hope you can join us because I think it'll be a lot of fun. And then Thursday is my Christmas pajama party with Teresa at Critters Crochet. It's going to be a lot of fun this week, so I hope you can join us. Okay, so for the rest of this video, tune into the randomness that is whatever this video is. I don't know. I bought stuff, it finally arrived, I wanted to show you. There we are. So first thing we're going to start off with, oddly enough, is food. I know, me, the girl with issues that have to do with food, is going to show you food. So I really like the company GFB, the gluten-free brothers, and they make a snack that I can actually eat, which is the dark chocolate coconut, I think. And all the ingredients in there are pretty safe for me. So they were having a deal on one of their multi-packs so I could try more flavors, and this one looked like a lot of fun. So I got the chocolate chip cookie dough. I'll show you them in a second. The birthday cake and the fudge brownie. So let's see. This is gluten-free, plant-based, non-GMO, and sustainably made. The fudge brownie has 4 grams of protein per serving and 4 grams of sugar. The ingredients are organic brown rice syrup, pea protein, sunflower seed, dark chocolate, gluten-free oats, cocoa powder, brown rice, organic cane sugar, dates, flaxseed, and sea salt. That's the brownie one. You can get these on Amazon. I will try to find a link, at least to this pack, for you. The birthday cake one, it's all cute and pink. That one doesn't have any chocolate in it. This one is the brown rice syrup, which is kind of their binder. Sunflower seeds, pea protein again, gluten-free oats, brown rice, cane sugar, sprinkles, tapioca starch, spirulina, annatto, and turmeric, and sunflower lecithin, flaxseed, and sea salt. And then this one is the chocolate chip cookie dough. It has, of course, brown rice syrup, dates, sunflower seed butter, pea protein, gluten-free oats, dark chocolate, brown rice, organic cane sugar, flaxseed, and sea salt. The sea salt's like their finishing salt, basically. You can even see it on the packaging. See? You can see the little, oh, here you go. You can see the little things. So, yeah. This is like the one packaged food that I can eat. So, I'm really excited. Oh yeah, it's also nut-free. Anyway, if you're interested in a gluten-free, plant-based snack, I will link it down below for you. Okay, next is Ophire. And look, it has a Christmas kitten. So cute. So Ophire had a little sale, and I took advantage of that. Just for fun. Possibly stuff for future giveaways. You never know. You never know what I'm thinking. Okay, so here are the care instructions, which I like that they added that now. I got the Christmas stitch markers. I have a set. These are for a gift. They're really nice. They're the little light bulb markers, but then they've got these cute little, like, 3D printed little things. So let's see, snowflake, Santa hat, ornament, stocking, tree, candy cane. Those are the designs if you can't see through the plastic. And then I got 2 hooks. I don't know which one's which, so. Okay, I got the watermelon in an 8mm. These are their limited edition summer hooks that are gonna go away. So I grabbed another one while I could. And this was really exciting. So Ophire has a deal with Crochet.com, or We Crochet, and they sell exclusively one Ophire hook on their website. And you can't get it any other way. Well, they had an oops sale with that exclusive hook on Ophire. I jumped at the chance. This is the Azure hook. And of course I got it in a 7mm, my favorite. Isn't it pretty? Look at that. So yes, this is an exclusive hook, but, and apparently that one is an oops. I don't see anything wrong with it, so. Oops hooks are honestly the way to go. If you've never tried an Ophire hook, wait for an oops sale and grab one and see if you like it. And then if you do, then you'll know the regular ones are really good. Okay, what's next? Oh yes. The Woobles finally arrived. Y'all, I'm a fan of the Woobles. I know it doesn't seem like it in my reviews a lot. I get that. But that's because I'm super critical. Because if they could fix something, they need to. One of the things they need to fix is staff. They have got to get more staff, especially in the shipping department and the people who handle the emails. I know they really want to keep that small business name, but they need staff. It's ridiculous. Someone on Facebook said they hadn't got their order shipped yet from October. No. No. They have lost multiple orders of mine. Several times. I like the Woobles. I don't love the price tag, but especially when it's a product that they had to get licensing for, I understand it more than when it's their product and they charge an arm and a leg. However, they sucker me in with different brands and stuff all the time. And I get to show all of you, which is nice, but Anyway, it finally arrived. Way too late. It has a Christmas gift in here. Can no longer send that because I sent my Christmas gifts already. So, yeah. So much for that. Anyway. My other order, as of making this video, still has not shipped. So much for making an angel for Christmas. But anyway, now I'm obviously not going to show you the gift because I'm still going to give it to that person eventually. So I will show you, I got a mystery. I already opened these. I got a mystery kit, mystery accessory kit, and it's one of the new ones. It's the tiny tote bag. Isn't that cute? So yeah, they've got some new ones floating around which look really cute. But that's not why we're here. I am a grown woman, and I have freely admitted this, and I will again. Bluey is an adorable show. I love Bluey. I think the characters are clever. I think it's sweet. I love that there's real children voicing the kids, and I love that their identities are secret. Good for you. It's just a wholesome, adorable show. The art is beautiful. I love it. A lot. I got bingo. Also, it reminds me of my friends' kids because they are truly Bluey and Bingo. They really are. And that's what I call them on the channel. I got bingo. Because I just think she's precious. Look! I like how they did her. I think it's good. So here's the back. You can see the actual bingo next to the picture of the Wooble bingo. She does have a tail. You just can't see it. Shall we? Okay. Look at this. They even are on the labels. So this was a licensing deal. Obviously. They had to get permission to do Bluey. So cute. Got this tan color, white, this very soft orange. All the labels are the same. A little bit of brown. Some stuffing. And the crochet hook, which is a 4mm, they always are, and little pictures of Bingo and Bluey. They even have magic xylophone, ice cream, Bingo is drawing pictures, dancing, all kinds of cuteness. And then of course it says Bingo and Woobles Bluey. And somewhere it says, oh, it's carved into the hook, but it does say 4mm. And we have the wee woobly bits with our sticker. Yes, saved the sticker. Always a big deal. Now on the back of this is the pattern, so I'm not going to show you that, but I will show you the picture. And then it says where to go, and if you need any help, you can text this number. And then inside we have safety eyes, yarn for embroidery, a tapestry needle, and the backs for the safety eyes. I will show you the safety eyes because they're actually different. These are oval. See? These are oval eyes instead of the little round ones. And they're kind of flat. I mean, not completely, but a little bit. So, that's interesting to make them look more cartoony. So that's Bingo. And then this accessory made me so happy. This might actually make me happier than Bingo. It's Bob Bilby. Oh, and then on the back, got Bandit with Bluey and Bingo, but it's Bob Bilby. So Bob Bilby is the little hand puppet that is kind of like Flat Stanley and also the classroom pet at the same time kind of thing for Bingo's classroom. And they take pictures with Bob Bilby, and it's a really cute episode, one of my favorites. Here you go. He is so cute. And supposedly, according to the photos I saw, it will fit on Bingo's paw. We shall see. But it's supposed to. And then we have the yarns for Bob Bilby, also with our Bluey labels, but we have purple, pink, and tan. Now, accessories don't come with tapestry needles or anything like that. They come with the pattern and the yarn and sometimes stuffing, but this is a puppet, so there's no stuffing. And that was my Woobles order. Well, the one that actually arrived. And lastly, I got my Crochet World magazine. What does that mean, everyone? Yes, that's right. There's gonna be a flip through video with this beauty coming up soon. Look for that really soon, probably next week. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please remember to join me for the live on Wednesday and Thursday this week. And we're just gonna have a really good, fun holiday time. Thank you so much for being here today. Remember, life happens, yarn helps, and spoonies can stitch it up too. Bye.